In this video, I am going to solve the snake Rubik's cube blindfolded and with timing too. I am going to use N95 mask, which is this. Can you see anything behind? Nothing. Even I couldn't see. I have shuffled it. Here, can you see the timer? Good. Now I will close. See, I am closing my nose part too with this metal. If you have N95 mask, you can check it too. Okay, I think I will start it. 3, 2, 1, go. My God. Okay. Okay, I think I stopped it. 14 seconds. It's good for my blindfold. Thank you friends. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel.